This Coldwell Banker Bullard property video is presented by Penny Henderson. Note: no showings before Monday, July 25, 2022. Limited showing times. See Private Remarks Renovated 1950s style ranch, low maintenance 4 sides brick with vinyl eaves, cornice and shutters. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Many upgrades and improvements completed approximately 3 to 4 years ago, roof and gutters included. Entire interior painted, refurbished beautiful oak hardwood floors, except one bedroom has new carpet. This bedroom also has built-in bookcases with glass doors. Ceiling fans throughout. The open eat-in kitchen has all new cabinets, soft close drawers, pull-out shelves and pantry, solid surface countertops, smooth top surface unit. The breakfast bar overlooks the den. Stainless steel refrigerator, oven, microwave, dishwasher are all included along with apartment-size washer and dryer. Over the stainless steel farm sink is a beautiful greenhouse window. Formal living room/dining room combination with masonry fireplace and gas logs. All new lighting and ceiling fans throughout. Believe it or not, there's even more, like the hall bath has a walk-in tub and both bathrooms have new vanity sinks and toilets. Oh, if you need extra space, there is a stairway leading to the expandable attic. There is also an earthen basement with some concrete. Exterior: beautiful covered deck with vaulted ceiling with ceiling fan. Vinyl rails and Trex flooring. Enter the house from deck through side room with Jalousie windows on 3 sides to enjoy the seasons. Just too much to mention. In addition to all of this, there's a carport and covered, paved, RV parking. Also in the back of the house there is a 2-car detached garage and a small office building or she shed, 192 square feet. Security system remains with the home, and for added security there is an automatic security gate at driveway entrance. Note: this property is on 2 connecting parcels sold jointly. Total acreage for both lots is .75+ / fenced on corner of Columbia Dining Room and Hamilton Road. Property is being sold as is commercial potential. Convenient to Marta, banking, grocery shopping, etc. Agents must have 3 hours notice before showing by appointment only. Home is occupied. Call Faye or Penny to schedule and showing instructions. See Private Remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact Penny Henderson at 770-231-3840.